Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. So since y'all love my last Shop Miss A video, I decided to do another one. This one is not that much stuff as it was before, but I love Shop Miss A. I'm always on there. They always have new things. It's like a dollar store for beauty. So it's like a beauty supply store for even cheaper because everything is basically $1. Some things aren't $1, but they're still affordable where you just need to throw everything in that cart. So if you want to see my Shop Miss A haul, stay tuned. And if you're wondering about my hair, which is laid, a review on this unit will be coming soon. So that's another reason why you gotta click that notification bell so you can find out when I talk about this fabulous hair. Like, what lace, bitch? What lace? But I'm going to get into the bag. Got my trusty scissors. Gonna rip right into this thing and see what we got. Everything from Shop Miss A is always like bubble wrapped and everything is protected, and then it gives you all the stuff that you got in the package. And let's open this bad boy up. Jeez, they really... I ordered some concealers too. And this is the packaging. It says Miss A. Let's rip it open. And it still has some styrofoam in there. And more tape. So you know your stuff is not going to come broken. So I really didn't get that much stuff. But the first things I got are the new AOA Studio Concealers. And I went crazy. And I got a couple of them. I wanted to, oops, where'd it go? I wanted to get a couple of them to throw in my kit to mix with other concealers that I have. So I'm going to go through the shades. And these are the AOA Studio Natural Finish Liquid Concealer. And it says it's good for all skin types, medium to full coverage, non-drying, creamy, and long wearing. And this is only $1.55. You can't beat that with a stick. So it says it corrects imperfection and dark circles. So you're going to apply a small amount over blemishes or under eyes and blend out. Start with a thin layer and build as needed. Set with powder. So this color I have right here is rich. I think this is the deepest color. The next color I have is... what's this color? Amber. And the colors are on the back. So this is Amber. This one I think is the lightest color, and this one is soft tan. This one I have is Cappuccino. This one is Honey. I think this one is the lightest color. This one is Natural Beige. And the last one that I have is Nutmeg. So on Shop Miss A, they're in categories from deep, medium, and light. So I bought the deep and some of the medium to incorporate in my kit. And if you want to see a video of the AOA Studios line, because I have the foundations, I have the concealers, and so I can see if it really works for the price, let me know down below if you want to see that video. The next things I got are wrapped up in this package that also says Miss A. Let's rip it open. So I also got from the AOA Studios lines, if I can open it, is their Perfect Finishing Pressed Powder. And this is in the color Toffee. I thought this would be closest to my skin tone to try out for you guys. So please let me know down below if you want to see it. The foundations, concealer, and the powder. And they have all kind of other stuff. The next thing I got is this AOA Studios Wonder Cover HD concealer. So this is a correct. I got sticky fingers today. So I got the color correcting concealers, and this is in the color orange. Yeah, this is in the color orange. So this is a color corrector. I want to see if this is better than the LA Girl Pro concealers. And then I got this one. This one is in peach. I wanted to see which one would fit me better because the orange looked a little dark on the site and the peach looked a little light, and the peach does look kind of light, but I could use it. Next thing I got is another glue. I have the other one in white or clear, and I got the one in black because sometimes black is a little better. I got these super cute hairpins, and they say boss on it. Super cute. Hope you can see it. It's boss, because I'm a boss ass bitch. But I love these to put in your hair. I'm about to put one in right now. See how it looks. Super cute. This is in trend now. I'm looking in the viewfinder. Hopefully it looks cute. And I also got this necklace. I don't even remember what I got. Oh, the super cute 3-tiered necklace. No, it's 4-tiered. Super cute. I can't wait to wear this. And it was only $1. Like, if it gets messed up or whatever, you just repurchase it for $1. But I've been really wanting a tiered gold necklace. So this is super pretty. So that's actually all I got in the haul today. Please let me know down in the comments how you enjoyed this video. If you want to see another shop miss a haul, or if you want to see a haul from another beauty supply type store, or maybe a clothing haul, or whatever you guys want to see. But until my next video, remember, stay beautiful and get bossed up, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.